Do you know how to talk about people's personalities? Do you know what's the difference between kind and generous, or the opposite of friendly and shy? Hello and welcome back. In today's video, we will see some adjectives to talk about personalities and their opposites. Here we have some good positive adjectives and bad negative adjectives. We will see the difference between them. Today's video will be divided into two parts. The first part will be about some very common personality adjectives and their opposites, while the second part is how to express the opposite using prefixes, which is basically keeping the adjective, just adding one or more letters to the beginning of the word. So get ready and let's get it started. First things first, part 1. We have some adjectives, good positive adjectives, and in the other hand we have some negative bad adjectives. So on the green side we have attract, kind, energetic, friendly, smart, giving, and honest. On the right red side we have rude, cunning, selfish, repulse, mean, lazy, and silly. So let's try connect between the green and the red sides. If you don't know attract, start with kind. If you don't know kind, start with energetic, etc. Let's start with attract. Rude, cunning, selfish, repulse, mean, lazy, and silly. Attract is the opposite of good, repulse. Kind is the opposite of yes, well done, mean. And we are not talking about the meaning of a word, it's an adjective. Mean person means not kind. Energetic is the opposite of lazy. Good job. Friendly now. Friendly is the opposite of rude. Excellent job. Smart is the opposite of cunning, selfish, or silly. Well done. It's silly. Now, someone who is given is the opposite of someone who's selfish. Excellent job. Don't be selfish, guys. Honest is the opposite of cunning. Once more, attract is the opposite of repulse, kind, mean, energetic, lazy, friendly, rude, smart, silly, giving, selfish, honest, cunning. Remember, we are dealing with the antonyms or the opposites. Well done out there. This is the end of part 1. And before we start part 2, we need to understand something. We need to understand prefix. What is a prefix? A prefix can be a letter, one or more letters, added to the beginning of a word in order to form and express a different word. This means what? It means the opposite of the original word. Let's read this once more. A prefix can be a letter or more letters added to the beginning of a word in order to form and express a different word. It means the opposite of the original word. Let's apply this definition. Prefix, remember, is letter or letters added to the beginning of the word. The task says, choose the correct prefix. We have 3 different prefixes. We need to choose the right one. Highlight prefix. Okay. Now we know what's the meaning of prefix. The first adjective we have here is honest. In order to express the opposite of honest, is it A, unhonest, or B, dishonest, or C, immodest? Remember, H is a silent letter. 5 seconds to decide. Excellent job if you said B. It's dishonest. Reliable. Is it disreliable, unreliable, or C, unreliable? 5 seconds to decide. If you said B, unreliable, well done out there. Excellent job. Next word, we have perfect. Is it A, imperfect, B, disperfect, or C, imperfect? 5 seconds. If you said option C, you're correct. Excellent job. The opposite of perfect is imperfect. Respectful. Unrespectful, B, irrespectful, or D, disrespectful. If I were you, I would choose C, disrespectful, because it's the right option. Good job. Next word is kind. The opposite of kind is A, unkind, B, unkind, or C, diskind. 5 seconds, and the right answer is B, unkind. Well done if you chose it. The next word, we have polite. Is it A, impolite, B, dispolite, or C, unpolite? 5 seconds. And the right option is A, impolite. Very good. Next is pleasant. Is it A, unpleasant, B, unpleasant, or D or C, displeasant? 5 seconds. And the right option is A, unpleasant. Well done. The next word is friendly. Is it A, disfriendly, B, unfriendly, or C, unfriendly? Okay, and the right option is B, unfriendly. All right. There you go. Well done out there. So that's it for today. Remember, prefixes are one or more letters added to the beginning of a word in order to express its opposite. If you have any questions, kindly leave them or drop them in the comment box below, and we will get back to you very soon. If you like this video, kindly share it with your friends, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Till the next time, keep learning, keep vibing with EngVibes. See ya. Take care. Bye-bye.